boots on the ground, put it down, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Welcome back, my friends. It's so good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some special information for you today, and I really want you to really comprehend this because this is a gift, guys. This uranium market and what's about to happen with uranium, something I've been writing about and for the last years and years, guys. I was waiting for this. Not only, there's a lot of us old guys, we were waiting for this again because we felt we got cheated in 2011 with Fukushima and the disaster there in Japan, just as we were headed up again. See, because we were still on that sugar high from 2004, 2007, which people made boatloads of money when this stuff went up. You know, there's only a handful of stocks out there, guys, that are going to go ballistic. And we've piled into those stocks, and we really, really like the chances now that I'm going to tell you what's going to happen this weekend and into next week and into the following week and into the following week, because I do not believe that the prices are baked in right now. I think we're going to be in for some surprises here coming here in the next 10 to 15 days or so, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, not a hustler. What else do they call me? I'm an entrepreneur. I'll take that one. Real estate innovator. At least that's what the Los Angeles Times said. What else? I don't know. He's a baby knockout goat. That's me now. The baby knockout goat. Guys, what are baby knockouts? Baby knockouts are small little micro cap companies that we discover in a trend early and they become big trends. They grow up. They have that something special about them. That it factor, that it thing there they have. And that's something that we like. And this goes back to the dot-coms, guys. When I was trading to Doug Casey, James Dines, and all those guys, they get in early, and that's the rest is history. They make millions and millions of dollars. I don't claim to have made as much money, but I have been comfortable. Put it that way. Comfort. That's what this was about. See, baby knockouts were to go on your trip. You know, like I did with to take the family to Disneyland and stuff like that, Disney World next year, all that other good stuff. That's what this thing is about. It's not about getting rich. If you want to get rich, you can. People have made millions on these stock baby knockouts. Like right now, when you've got uranium on the doorstep getting ready to do things, I'm going to tell you right now, guys, if you're not in this uranium stock, it's on you. This uranium trade. It's on you, man. You don't have uranium. If you're not loaded up by now, I've been doing these shows. I have done over 100 shows here. You know, at least twice a week, once a week, twice a week for months and months and months, guys. And even how to invest in uranium now, they even banned me in Germany. Remember 2 years ago? Guys, they were going through all this turmoil and it's just another voice. We don't want him talking about uranium. They banned this book right here. This book right here. How to invest in uranium now. And I don't know, we talked about it and we joked about it and all. But now, what has Germany done? Germany's done an about face, guys. Germany was going to close down. They were going to 3 reactors here at the end of the year. Now, the 3 that they want to keep those 3 open, and they're looking at the ones that they previously closed. They want to reopen those. So they've got a bad, and when the Russian bear comes looking for you, and I talked about it also, guys. I hate to beat it in. Marijuana Day, vanadium, uranium tomorrow. Companies get it early, holding, grow rich. I did a whole video saying that what do you think Russia is going to do if Russia is supplying uranium to America and there is a conflict, guys? This look at the videos because this is what I said. I said they're not going to supply their enemy with uranium. So why are countries so dependent on Kazatomprom? A lot of you love Kazatomprom. Why are you depending on Kazatomprom? Is that crazy? Here missile, whatever, we're getting ready to go to war, and those guys are giving you what you need to fight with. Aren't they going to stop giving you? Am I making sense? Is this thing on? I mean, who in their right mind in Washington thinks that us getting, the United States, the West, getting uranium, enriched uranium from Russia is going to continue when we're involved in a war? And now don't put China and Taiwan in the mix. I mean, for real? I mean, one thing my parents did is they instilled common sense into me. My mom, you guys know my mom, she's coming around so much better. I used to watch my mom get up early in the morning. She'd go to her job, she was so loyal to the company, and the company was good to her. Raytheon, Fortune 500 company, a good missile company and all that. My family's all defense, in mining. I watched my uncle go to the Salmon Well mine, in Arizona. He's a copper miner, These guys work hard, and you guys are telling me that some people are telling me, not my loyal subscribers and all, ones that get the newsletter and all that. You guys know what time it is. There's a newsletter out right now. And make sure you take a look at those gold and silver baby knockouts, guys, because they're going to be a knockout also when their time comes. Right now, it's uranium's time. I used to I used to get up early and go to work and come home and dirty and all that, and tired and all that stuff. And all you guys got to do is press a button and buy some uranium stocks, and you and your family, if you've used baby knockout money management principles, you're going to be wealthy, guys, for a long time. You're going to have money. You're going to have dinero for a long, long time. And it may start with you this week, because I don't think that bill, I don't think the reduction bill there, I don't think it's baked in yet. So the Inflation Reduction Act is what they call it, Inflation Reduction Act. And I don't think that's baked in. But my friends, I say that to say, make sure you look at these stocks, look at these ones that are in our buy zone right now. They've just gotten, just a week or so, guys. They're doing their thing. An important crossover that we're using. I've used before, and I disclosed it to everyone right here. I know who's that? Some of the guys, Mark and Timothy Harris, and a lot of you guys are you're going to be on it. You're going to be on it. You're going to be expert traders here, and you're going to catch this trade. Yes, for those that were asking me about Amazon, as far as I'm concerned, it never did get under $100, so I'll miss that trade for now. But we will see. You never know, guys. Anyway, it's about uranium this week, and especially the next 10 days, guys. If you're in these stocks right now, congratulations. You're going to do very, very well. If you bought the books, if you're in our lithium trade right now, you're going to do very, very well. Some of the lithium stocks, guys, because lithium's going up again. It's propped up. Things are well. That trade is going to be an outstanding trade. The company in Arizona, yeah, they're running across stuff there. They're having bad weather, and it's you can't believe what good shape and what condition you guys are in. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there, talking about the uranium and all that. Every time things go up, you get new people. But see, when I was out here in 2017 writing books and stuff about it and telling y'all about it, and I was taking crap from people in Germany when they were banning and burning my books. See, there weren't too many people around. But right now, everybody can see this. You can see what's going on, and you can see what's about to happen here. And it's not like cannabis, where you need government regulations. It's not like, some of the other areas. No. This we must have. We must have. And the cool part about this is, and nobody's talking about this, this particular point, guys. It is so easy for us to put the shoe on the other foot here. Let me tell you what I mean by this. we depend on, and a lot of the world, 40% plus of the world, depend on Russia for uranium enrichment, right? Now, Russia does not produce any uranium. So all the uranium, if America and Canada put this thing into overdrive, we'll be selling uranium to Russia. Russia will need it because they enrich more and export more than they have there. So does that make any sense? I'm trying to make sense of this, guys. I'm trying to make sense of this so you understand it, because it's such a easy trade that, you know, I know you guys say, oh, you in the Navy, you know, you was on this, blah, 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 you know, the nuclear carrier, you know what's going on. And no, you don't have to know nothing. I told you, you do not have to know nothing about the fuel cycle. That was my first thing. I told you, I said, don't go to the back of the book and get the stocks in the back of the book. Go to the back of the book. You don't have, you know, the way the enrichment's done, the fuel conversion, you ain't got to know nothing. You ain't got to know nothing. You just have to know that these are the stocks and we're limited to those stocks. These are the good guys. These are the good guys in this business. Now, there's going to be a whole lot of guys come around here. They're going to want to be your friend in terms of your account and take your money. But there's only a few people out there, guys, that you should depend on. And unfortunately, you know, that's just the way it is. That's the way the game goes. But I can tell you, I'm excited about this because this is true life-changing business, man. And when you get a chunk of money, you know, it's like almost like hitting a lottery or something. But you know, you earn it over 6 months, a year period when stocks just blow up. It's very, very fulfilling. Put it that way. Not mama likes it too. Not bad, you know, the wifey, the husband, you know, whatever, they like it. They like it because they might not have to work for a little while, you know. And to each his own. You know, I've had people, you know, this is my goal. I see now how I can make my goal. You know, I've got, you know, 5,000 shares of this stock. Yeah, I ain't gonna get it. You're gonna have to go a little bit more, you know, or you're gonna have to go, you know, you're in good shape. So I tell them, you know, phone, you know, I don't tell you nothing. But anyway, you know, private students, of course. But as you get, guys, this is a gift. This is it. This I believe when it comes to this uranium trade, this is the catalyst that we've been waiting for. This is the catalyst that we've been waiting for. It is perfect timing right now to get into uranium. Like I said, we got cheated in 2011 with Fukushima. You know, we were headed up. We really had a good run, 2004, 2007. But now we've got the world at our back, guys. Everybody's saying, you know, they're going to look at the way the weather was this year. You know, look at the way some things are going on in this world, guys. I mean, if we don't solve this problem, who will? What, you gonna get the Martians out there, or somebody else is gonna solve this problem? I don't think so. So, guys, we believe this is going to happen. This weekend is going to be a big weekend. And things happen. I've been on my soapbox a little bit too long. Let's take a look at, I'm going to show you a couple things, guys, of what I was saying. Once again, take a look at your newsletter, guys. All that information is there for you. You guys have a great week. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's going to be hot and heavy, guys, this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. The story's like this. U.S. and EU imports from Russian uranium enrichment services could stop. Here's how. This is a story my boy DQ, Derek Quick, broke today. Give him credit, man. That's not me. I don't seek credit from nobody. I just told y'all about this 3 or 4 years ago, but this is a story from the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist. It's a good story. You know, we do depend on Russia a lot for our enrichment. Russia's has the world's largest uranium enrichment complex, accounting for almost half the global capacity. Relatively small uranium producer with only 6% of the global supply. That's what I was telling you guys. They don't produce any uranium, man. Once America and once Canada get this thing rolling, Russia's gonna have to buy from us. So the shoe's gonna be on the other foot, guys. I believe that. But right now, we've got to do what we have to do. We got to turn this thing around, and it's not going to be overnight either. But our uranium stocks could definitely have an overnight success there. Yeah, this is a story you can take a look, guys. It's a long story, but also what happened here as the U.S. could it could have problems. One of the key senators. I was telling you about Manchin is a key senator. Schumer, key U.S. Senator Sinema agrees to $430 billion drug energy bill. She was kind of a holdout a little bit, but she's on board now. And Senator Sinema is one of those that is very, very powerful, and she can make things happen. Ladies and gentlemen, when we last left off, we were looking at some of the moving averages, and we were looking to see if there was a buy signal initiated here. This is next gen, and what we're looking at is this is the 48-day. This purple blue line right here is the 48-day moving average, and this red line here is the 13-day moving average. And when the 13-day crosses over the 48-day, it's a soft buy signal. You're talking short term, medium term, time to perk your ears up and take a look at what's going on there and see how it trades over the next few days. Like I said, this is next gen, and it is right crossing. It's just right there. Right now, we like to go up a little bit higher. Some people 100-day, 200-day moving average up a little bit higher here, but we like to get it as soon as we find out things are happening. And next gen is one of those baby knockouts that we looked at early. They have a resource, big time resource, and we felt that they would be in play this uranium bull market. So at a very young age of quarter 50 cents or so, we get involved with these things. URANIum is right. You can see the 48-day right crossing, the 50-day 13-day is crossing right over it. Some people have asked, Mickey D, why don't you just use the 50-day instead of the 48-day? Well, I did answer that by sometimes you're able to get in a little early. Wall Street uses the 50-day. So our object is to beat Washington. And not beat Washington, beat Wall Street. When I say beat Washington, I'm talking about all the senators and all the congressmen and all that. You got to beat them too. But we want to beat Wall Street and the big money to the, beat them to the little apple there. So we're looking good with URANIum right now. They were one of the ones that put in an application for the United States Reserve Fund. We expect them to get a bump from that, and we expect that to be approved from them. I don't know. I can't say with certainty that URANIum is going to be approved for that, but I do believe they're one of the companies that will be. And the 13 is crossing the 48 right here, and it's trading a little sideways right now. We'll just have to see. Uranium Energy Corp, UEC, is well over its, the 13-day has crossed over the 48. And we'll just take a look, guys. There's a more extensive list. Of course, the video that I'm going to post up here, you look at that video, that has a lot more of these stocks there, and you can see how the cross is doing. Usually they go up, and we're looking for it to come back down to retest that 48-day, 50-day. Sometimes it retests 13-day and go back up. But I believe that the information that I provided for you guys is the information that you need to key in on this week and next week, and I believe that will push some of these stocks over the hump. Stocks like Paladin Energy Limited. Paladin is the 13-day has crossed over the 48-day. So you're looking right now at a stock that could, let's hope Paladin does what it did in the 2004-2007 bull market, when it went up to almost $10 there from low levels like it is right now. It went actually it went from a penny to up to almost $10. So they go up and they go down, guys. That's the stock market. But things are looking good. Like I said, this weekend, based on the news, legislation always moves stocks, and it looks like Paladin will be a big winner. What about the favorite D-Money favorite? Philip, who else? Strong, Mark, Samuel. Did I give you a shout out? Samuel Vilmont. I think Glenn liked this one. I think Dexter also. You like this one. Quite a few people like base load energy. Now, base load right now is not above its 13 is not crossed the 48 yet. I say yet because we believe that this week they'll get these stocks they'll get a boost in our opinion. I don't believe it's milked in. Sure, they could sell off on the news, but I don't believe it's baked in already, guys. Once again, if you're a subscriber, go ahead and check out your email. If you're a Scoop Team private student, check out your email. I'll show you in the description how you can become a Scoop Team private student, and you can get these baby knockouts early. Base load, I believe we did our first video of base load. I think it was about 33 cents or so. So it's 59 cents USD now. It's gone up over $1 and come around $1 and come back down. We'll see, guys. This is going to be, we believe base load will be a winner. So I'll put the other video up for a more extensive list. Take care. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You guys have a great weekend. And remember what one Denzel Washington once said, that some people will never, ever get it, my friends. They'll never like you because your spirit irritates their demons. God bless you guys. Take care.